Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the free K-pop Demon Hunters UGC on Roblox. So you're going to go to this game. It's called K-pop Demon Hunters the Block. I'll put the link in the description box down below. Scroll down and make sure you have liked the game first. So if you join the game now, you kind of need to do some tasks in order to win the UGC. As you can see, you'll need to join any sing-along show, which happens every hour. Stay until the end. Then you'll need to hit the beat to earn points. The top players each show win today's UGC. Didn't win, your points roll over to the next show, but same day only. And your points reset daily for the next UGC. So I think every day is different, I think. So it's going to start in 12 minutes. But if you don't want to do that, you can, I think, join just on the 1st of September, the last day. And you're just going to watch the concert from the beginning till the end. And you'll win a Hunter X light stick just for joining the game. So I'll be back in 12 minutes to show you guys what to do. As you can see on the bottom right corner of my screen, you will see this hexagon. You're just going to click on it once the beat hits it. Then you'll also be able to see your score on the top right corner of your screen. You cannot, however, see other people's scores, so you don't know if you're gonna win it, but you'll just have to play it until the game ends. I also forgot to mention, but there are different prizes every single day. So this is today's prize. They have 16,000 left. And then these are all the hairs and accessories. So make sure you join every single day to collect different ones for free. That's so cool. Once the show is over, you're just going to wait a few minutes. I don't know how long I waited for it, but I was a little bit confused on who actually won the UGC. But to my surprise, I actually won the UGC. So stay in the game for a couple minutes and then you'll be able to see if you won or not. Then you're just going to go back to your avatar and then you're going to go to customize head and body and you'll be able to see your prize there. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!